Top Super Detox Drinks to Support Liver Function. Hello, wellness enthusiasts. Get ready to embark on a journey of vitality and health as we delve into the world of Super Detox Drinks. I'm thrilled to guide you through a collection of flavorful elixirs designed to support your liver and enhance your overall well-being. From zesty lemon ginger infusions to tropical pineapple paradises, these drinks not only nourish your body, but also bring joy to your wellness journey. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to a vibrant, energized life. Are you looking to give your liver a boost and support its vital detoxification role? Look no further. We're about to explore a refreshing lineup of super detox drinks that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also work wonders for your liver health. Let's embark on a journey to discover these delicious elixirs that can help cleanse and rejuvenate your body from the inside out. Lemon Ginger Zinger. Start your detox journey with a burst of citrusy freshness and a touch of warmth. The Lemon Ginger Zinger is a powerhouse of nutrients that can kickstart your metabolism and aid in digestion. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which acts as a potent antioxidant, while ginger adds a spicy kick and boasts anti-inflammatory properties. This dynamic duo not only adds flavor to your water, but also supports the liver by promoting optimal function. Sip on this invigorating elixir in the morning to awaken your senses and give your liver a refreshing boost. Green Goddess Smoothie. Blend your way to a healthier liver with the Green Goddess Smoothie, packed with nutrient-dense leafy greens like kale and spinach. This smoothie is a vibrant concoction of chlorophyll, a natural liver detoxifier. The addition of apple juice brings a touch of sweetness, while berries contribute antioxidants. This refreshing smoothie not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your body with essential vitamins and minerals, supporting your liver's vital role in detoxification. Turmeric Tonic. Enter the world of golden healing with a turmeric tonic. Turmeric, the vibrant spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties, takes center stage in this elixir. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been studied for its potential benefits in supporting liver function and protecting against liver diseases. Combine turmeric with warm water, a splash of lemon for a citrusy twist, and a hint of honey for sweetness. Sip on this soothing tonic to indulge in the rich flavors while providing your liver with a natural boost. Beet Bliss Juice. Indulge in the vibrant hues of Beet Bliss Juice for a liver-loving elixir. Beets are rich in betalains, compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Juicing beets with carrots and a splash of citrus creates a nutrient-packed drink that not only supports liver detoxification, but also adds a burst of natural sweetness. The earthy flavors of beets, combined with the freshness of citrus, make this juice both delicious and beneficial for your liver health. Minty Fresh Detox. Water. Give your hydration routine a makeover with a mint of fresh detox water. Mint leaves not only add a burst of flavor, but also bring digestive benefits, aiding in the overall detoxification process. Cucumber slices and a squeeze of lemon enhance the detoxifying properties while keeping you refreshed. This simple yet invigorating detox water is an excellent way to stay hydrated and support your liver's natural cleansing abilities. Dandelion Tea Elixir. Step into the world of herbal goodness with dandelion tea. Celebrated for its liver-cleansing properties, dandelion is rich in antioxidants and has been traditionally used to support liver health by promoting detoxification. This herbal elixir offers a gentle and effective way to show some love to your liver. Sip on dandelion tea regularly to enjoy its mild yet impactful cleansing benefits, making it a delightful addition to your daily routine. Pineapple Paradise Smoothie. Transport your taste buds to a tropical paradise with a pineapple smoothie that does wonders for your liver. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its digestive properties and support for liver function. Blending pineapple with coconut water and a splash of lime creates a refreshing and nutrient-packed smoothie. Not only does it provide a delightful escape with its tropical flavors, but it also serves as a delicious means of nurturing your liver health. Cranberry Cleanse Cocktail. Cranberries, often praised for their antioxidant-rich profile, take center stage in the Cranberry Cleanse cocktail. Known for their detoxifying properties, cranberries can assist in cleansing the urinary tract and supporting liver function. Mix cranberry juice with a splash of sparkling water and a wedge of lime for a tangy and effervescent cleanse cocktail. This vibrant drink not only adds a burst of flavor to your palate, but also contributes to the overall detoxification process. Matcha Marvel. Conclude your detox journey with the elegance of Matcha Marvel. Matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, is renowned for its concentration of antioxidants. It supports liver health and detoxification while providing a gentle energy boost. Whether whisked into hot water for a traditional tea or blended into a smoothie, matcha adds a layer of richness and nutritional benefits to your routine. Savor the earthy tones and embrace the nutrient-packed experience of matcha for a delightful closure to your detox exploration. Celebrate your wellness journey. As you embark on this flavorful and health-enhancing journey with these Super Detox drinks, take a moment to celebrate the proactive steps you're taking for your well-being. Nurturing your liver is not just about cleansing. It's a celebration of self-care and a commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Whether you enjoy these drinks in solitude with loved ones or as a part of a mindful ritual, acknowledge the positive impact they can have on your overall health. Experiment and personalize. Feel free to get creative and tailor these recipes to suit your taste preferences. The beauty of these detox drinks lies not only in their health benefits, but also in their versatility. Adjust the ingredients, play with proportions, and discover the combinations that resonate most with you. Personalizing your detox routine ensures that it becomes a sustainable and enjoyable part of your daily life. Hydration as a daily ritual. Incorporate these drinks into your daily hydration ritual. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health and plays a crucial role in supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Consider replacing sugary and artificially flavored beverages with these natural elixirs to nourish your body and keep it well hydrated throughout the day. Listen to your body's signals. Pay attention to how your body responds to these detox drinks. Notice any changes in your energy levels, digestion, or overall well-being. Your body communicates its needs, so be attentive to signals that indicate the positive impact of these drinks on your system. This awareness allows you to fine-tune your wellness routine according to your body's unique requirements. Consistency for lasting results. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of these Super Detox drinks. Make them a regular part of your routine, whether it's a morning ritual, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a soothing evening beverage. By integrating these drinks into your lifestyle consistently, you contribute to the long-term health of your liver and overall well-being. As you savor the delicious flavors and embrace the nourishing properties of these Super Detox drinks, remember that your wellness journey is a continuous evolution. Small, positive choices compound over time, leading to lasting results. Here's to a vibrant, detoxified, and thriving you. In the tapestry of wellness, these Super Detox drinks serve as vibrant threads that contribute to the overall picture of a healthier, more energized you. Embrace the journey, relish in the goodness of natural ingredients, and continue to prioritize your well-being. Here's to the radiance that comes from within, the joy of nurturing your body, and the ongoing adventure of living well. Cheers to a life infused with vitality and flourishing health. As we conclude our exploration of Super Detox drinks, remember that wellness is a holistic tapestry, and every sip contributes to the masterpiece of your health. Don't forget to share the joy with others, explore diverse wellness avenues, revel in the holistic benefits, and set intentions for continued growth. Cheers to a life infused with vitality and flourishing health. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share the positivity. Until next time, stay well and stay vibrant.